clip, we're going to talk about the tools required for your thermostat removal and replacement. What I have here is just a standard issue metric and American socket set. I have some vice grips, a few miscellaneous screwdrivers. I also have a funnel for pouring my coolant back in the engine. Got my thermostat. I have my trusty magnetic tray. That's what I use to hold any kind of fasteners, nuts, bolts, loose parts I may take off. And I have a bucket here. Being that we're working on a truck, I like to use a bucket, something with a little taller draft to it. If you were to use a conventional drain pan, something that you'd want to use on a compact car, you're going to get a lot of splatter, just being that the coolant is going to be dropping about so far from the drain cock, it's going to hit your drain pan dish and want to splatter all over. So if you have a bucket, it's a good idea to use one.